In 2022, AFW employees donated over $32,000 to Easterseals in Colorado, Arizona, and Texas through the AFW Payroll Deduction program. And over the past 9 years have contributed almost $240,000. As America's largest nonprofit healthcare organization, Easterseals is committed to the comprehensive health and wellness of the more than 1.5 million people it serves each year, and is prepared to respond to the needs of the 1 in 4 Americans living with disability today with outcomes-based services for all disabilities throughout the lifespan. American Furniture Warehouse is proud to partner with Easterseals.
Hello, I'm Roman Kravchuk, President and CEO of Easterseals Colorado. And I'd like to thank Jake Jabs and the American Furniture Warehouse employees for supporting Rocky Mountain Village, our camp up in Georgetown, Colorado, giving children and adults the opportunity to meet new friends and gain new independence. Last year alone, employees gave over $11,000 to support 11 campers to attend this magical place. So on behalf of Easterseals, thank you. And if you like giving, say yes.
Hi, I'm Jake Jabs, and I'm here to help encourage you to give to Easterseals. As a company, we investigate the charities, and we like to give to the charities that do the most good, and Easterseals really comes to the top of the list. They have the Rocky Mountain Village camp up there where they help a lot of kids with disabilities. They also help stroke victims. They give wheelchairs to people. It's a great charity, and we have a payroll deduction plan, and I encourage you to join in and help Easterseals.
Easterseals is important because they go out of their way to help children and adults in need. The thing that stood out the most to me was that they actually engineer and fabricate tools, mechanical aids, whatever's necessary to help these children and adults get out there and enjoy the world and get to experience and see new things. I think if every employee donated what they could, even if it's just a little bit, that would go a long way to helping a lot of people.
Thank you, American Furniture Warehouse, for everything you do for Easterseals, especially Rocky Mountain Village. We really appreciate it. Bye!
Please see the form in your new employee packet if you're interested in donating to Easterseals.